Right, so if you're just getting into game dev, like literally starting from scratch, you've probably seen people arguing online about which engine is better, Unity or Godot. I've looked into both games made with both engines on Steam, and I've been spending my time learning Unity. So let's talk real. Which one actually gives you better chances in the long run? So, Unity. This one's been around forever. You'll find Unity used in mobile games, indie games, VR, and even outside games like in film, architecture, all that stuff. I bought a 3D game on Steam that was made in Unity, and it honestly just feels super polished. You can tell the tools behind it are solid. Unity uses C Sharp, which is actually used in other tech jobs too. So you're not just stuck in game development. And the best part, if you check job boards or freelance gigs, Unity shows up everywhere. So if you're thinking long term, like maybe someday I'll work with a team, or maybe I'll get into a freelance or build something commercial, Unity is a solid choice. Why Unity is a good bet? A lot of companies use it, plenty of tutorials and community help, good for both 2D and 3D. Your skills in Unity C Sharp can be used outside of games too. A few things to watch out for. Big install size, bit of a learning curve at the start, and yeah, the whole runtime fee thing. But honestly, most beginners won't hit those limits. Now on to Godot. Godot is 100% free, no fees, no strings. It's open source and pretty light on your system. I pick up a 2D game on Steam made with Godot and it runs so smooth, no issues. So clearly you can make good stuff with it. It uses GDScript, which is kinda like Python, super beginner friendly. And if you're just messing around making small games for fun or learning how engines work, Godot is honestly really nice. And here's the thing, if you're thinking about where this could take you in 2, 3, or 5 years, Godot still isn't used much in the professional scene. Studios don't really post jobs for it, and it doesn't come up much in freelance gigs. What's nice about Godot? Lightweight and fast, no licenses, no fees, easy to learn. Great community support. But what to consider? Not many job or freelance opportunities yet. So here's how I see it. If you're learning game dev just for fun, Godot's a good place to start. It's quick to get into, low pressure and no cost. But if you're thinking, hey, maybe one day I want to work with a team, skills kind of stay inside the Godot world, still catching up when it comes to pro-level 3D tools and pipelines. Or release something serious, or even try freelancing or landing a job. Unity gives you a much bigger toolset and way more future options. That's why I chose Unity. Even if it's a bit tougher at first, I'd rather build skills that can grow with me over time. So yeah, if you're tinkering, go with what feels fun. But if you're aiming for bigger things later on, Unity is the safer path with more doors down the line. What do you think? Drop a comment. Are you learning Unity, Godot, or something else? And hey, if this helped at all, do me a favor. Like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can catch more stuff like this. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.